Hey guys, what's up? This is Geeky Rahul from V for AI. In this video, we guys are going to talk about PYQs. I have been an IITM student and I have qualified this qualifier as well in 2023. So I understand many of you guys face challenges while solving questions. काफी लोगों को दिक्कतें आती है. To help you guys in this, I'm creating some sort of videos on to teach you how to solve the questions. So I'll be creating a lot of videos on this channel and I'm conducting some sessions as well. So you guys can connect with me via WhatsApp and via my website, that is v4ai.com. There's a section in the courses, so you can have a look at it and you can join me over there. Okay, so let's without a further ado, let's just start the video with the main content. We'll be solving some questions on the stats. So the first question is the PYQ in it was asked in 2022, right? So what was the question? Suppose a random variable y represents the number of hours a student study in the class on particular day, and particular mass probability mass function of y is given as this, right? So the probability mass function is given like this. So can we make a table out of it? Yes. So let's just create a table y 0, 1, 2, else otherwise, right? So for py, what is it? For py it's 0.3, for 1 it's 0.4, for 2 it's 0.3, and for other it's 0. Okay, so what we are supposed to calculate, we have been asked to calculate variance of y, that is variance. Okay, so variance कैसे निकलता है? Variance के लिए we'll have to calculate this ex square minus ex whole square, right? So for ex is what? Expectation value. So expectation, how can we compute expectation? Expectation can be computed by xpx, right? Here it's y, so it's going to be ypy. So we have to calculate two terms, ex and ex square. And how can we calculate ex square? Ex square would be x square px, right? So let's calculate xpx, or we can say ypy, right? Let's write it properly. It's going to be ypy. What is it going to be? So ypy would be 0 into 0.30, 1 into 0.4, 0.4, 2 into 0.3, 0.6, else 0. 0 into anything would be 0. Okay. Similarly, we have been asked for ex square. So this will be the sum of all this will be ex, right? So what would be the ex? What will be the ex? Ex would be 0 plus 0.4 plus 0.6, going to be 1, right? Now let's compute this x square px, right? So y square py. So y square py would be 0. 1 square into 0.4 would be 1 square into 0.4 would be 0.4. 2 square into 0.3 would be 4 into 0.3. तो क्या आ जाएगा? It's going to be 1. 4 into 0.3 would be 1.2. 1 second. Yeah, it's going to be 1.2, right? And this will be 0, right? So x square px would be 0 plus 0.4 plus 1.2. The sum would be 1.6. So can we compute the variance now? Variance of y would be ex square minus ex whole square, right? So this is going to be 1.6 minus 1, and the answer would be 0.6, and this is the answer. As per the answer key, we got the answer as 0.6, right? So this is correct, and I hope you guys were able to get it. हिंदी में भी बताया था, जिन लोगों को इंग्लिश में थोड़ा सा दिक्कत रहता है. तो हमें क्या दे रखा है? प्रोबेबिलिटी मास फंक्शन हमें दिया हुआ है y का. तो इस तरीके से हम टेबल बना सकते हैं. y इक्वल टू 0 पे 0.3, y इक्वल टू 1 पे 0.4, y इक्वल टू 2 पे 0.3. ठीक है. तो अब वेरिएंस निकालने का क्या फॉर्मूला होता है? वेरिएंस का होता है ex स्क्वायर माइनस ई एक्स का होल स्क्वायर। ई एक्स क्या होता है? एक्सपेक्टेशन वैल्यू। ठीक है, तो एक्सपेक्टेशन वैल्यू कैसे निकलती है? वाई पी वाई को मल्टीप्लाई करके। तो वही हमने यहाँ पे निकाला है, एक्स पी एक्स। तो 0 इंटू 0.3 0, 1 इंटू 0.4 1, 0.4 फिर 0.6, इस तरीके से एक्सपेक्टेशन वैल्यू आ गई 1। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? ई एक्स का स्क्वायर। ई एक्स स्क्वायर कैसे निकल सकता है? एक्स स्क्वायर पी एक्स से। तो 0 इंटू 0.3 0, 1 स्क्वायर इंटू 0.4 0.4, 2 स्क्वायर इंटू 0.3 1.2, तीनों को दोनों को ऐड करेंगे क्या आएगा? 1.6। 1.6 वुड बी द आंसर। तो फाइनल आंसर क्या आया? 1.6 माइनस 1 का स्क्वायर। द आंसर वुड बी 0.6। तो इस तरीके से इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना था। इट वॉज प्रेटी इजी। ये 3 या 4 नंबर का आया था। तो सोचो मतलब किस तरीके से, मतलब इजी भी होते हैं, डिफिकल्ट भी होते हैं, बट इफ यू आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ कि भाई डेंसिटी फंक्शन क्या होता है, वेरिएंस कैसे निकलती है, एक्सपेक्टेशन वैल्यू क्या होता है, इफ यू हैव एनी ऑफ दीज डाउट्स, do reach out to me via comments. You can contact me via WhatsApp as well. I'm conducting some paid sessions as well, so you can join our classes. And yeah, I'd be really happy. So in the qualifier, I appeared in 2023 and I was able to score 87% in that. इतना कुछ मैंने नहीं पढ़ा था, because just because of fact my cousin was preparing for it, so I appeared for that as well. So now both of us are in diploma level and we guys are going to proceed for degree level soon. So I'd be happy to guide you guys